It's Puck drop here with another video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're just gonna do some more Blooket pack opening. I was gonna collab with Freddy, but Foxy Gaming, that's his real name, but here's the problem. I'm kind of tired and I don't use Snapchat. However, I will maybe do another video with him. We'll see. I will comment on his community posts. For now, let's just open some packs. What does Blooket say we'll get? Let's see the calculations first. 20% chance we get the chroma. Let's see. We get nothing today. But we'll spend all these packs, I guess. Ooh, glitched a little bit. Hold on. So my Blooket glitched. This is what I pulled. So I pulled a legendary, first of all. That was very weird. Will it work? No, it's not gonna work. But I still got stuff, which is the weird thing. I've never had this happen before. But I guess this is what I pulled, so I'm not mad. I'm actually happy that we got a legendary, but it doesn't make sense to me. I usually add 200 when I pull a legendary, because it's hard to pull one. See what we pull now. Might have we pulled the chroma. Got it. Yep, obviously we pulled 3. Okay. We also got an epic. That would have been cool to see the legendary. I haven't pulled that in a long time, but I couldn't because, glitched. That was weird. I've never had that happen before. I'll just say that. I'll skip. Reason why I'm showing you this is because obviously you didn't get to see the pack opening. It should work now. So let's just do 18. Okay. Okay, we're just pulling rares and epics. Yeah, that was a lot of uncommons. I can't believe we pulled so much in the first opening and they didn't get to witness it. Kind of sad to me. Okay, let's sell some more. Has 5 packs, so let's do it. Rare. Rare again. Stop with the uncommons, come on. Sorry, this was a short video. It skipped my pack opening, so there's nothing I can do about it. I'm just gonna show you me reselling them. Alright, this might be the final 2 packs. Alright, we pulled 2 uncommons, but it's guaranteed we'll only have 16 tokens. So we'll see all of you for the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we're done.